Thanks for joining me here at Contour Image, where I help you find and embrace your true beauty. And today I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial that I had to do after doing two different polish sets that I had done earlier that I just fell in love with, so I had to do my nails quickly. So the two nail polishes that I'm using in this tutorial to do my nails is one polish from Goy called Sunshine and another Goy polish from the set of Golden Harvest. So this one right here was like a princess pink, which I really fell in love with when I was doing it. Like I said, I had to do my nails. So that one was from Golden Harvest, and this polish right here, this gold one that you're gonna see right now, is from the Sunshine collection from Goy. And I just thought I would do a quick tutorial here. Since all my nails look the same, I was just going to show you a little bit here and there. This is going to be, as you can tell, a short video. So this is how I did this nail design, was that I just obviously painted my nails all pink. I only did one coat, and then I just did the tips and just brought them down a little bit. I might do that a little differently next time. I think maybe I'll actually just cut it and then do the cat eye design. This is where I used the magnet wand that both sets actually gave me. So I have more than enough of them at this point. I have at least 3 or so lying around here. And so the idea was to just have the golden tips that kind of shined with that cat eye. So here I am. I'm just showing you a little bit how I did one other nail, but I did all my nails this way. And I just use this brush to kind of help just lightly brush it up. And I also took the other magnet just to kind of bring out the sparkles before I made more or less the design, to kind of give it more of a V-shape design. And so that is my nails for this one. I did all of them the same way. It took some time. When you do the cat eye, I would cure each time you do one, so that way the little sparkles don't fall out of place. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for joining me here at Contour Image. And just remember to stay beautiful for life.